Thank you for joining us today to discuss Swimage Endpoint Management. I'm Kyle Haraldson, CEO of Swimage. Today I'm going to give you a high-level overview of the main capabilities of Swimage, which include remote workforce management, PC provisioning, PC full system recovery, PC compliance enforcement, PC health check and remediation, as well as business continuity. Here's a quick overview of all the main features of Swimage. Although Swimage has been around for 25 years, it has been primarily a provisioning tool. That's the genesis of Swimage, but has evolved over the years based on customer demands and customer requests to be a full PC lifecycle management tool, including some fundamental components such as asset monitoring, maintaining PC health, compliance enforcement, automated remediation. Goal is to minimize those support costs, minimize shipping costs, provide a very positive user experience. Demand has been with the remote self-service, especially for those work from home users, as well as being able to maintain encryption. Security is a big part of what we do. Encryption is a key part of that. So if you have encryption on your device, we can maintain that encryption throughout the entire migration process or any activities within that. We also have demands that we want to protect and control all data rather than having to give up your data into the cloud. Any data that's localized, we want to make sure we protect that, keep it encrypted, also recover it, and be able to deploy and migrate any data regardless of where it's located. And finally, we want to be able to scale to very large, very complex environments, depending on what your needs are. Swimage is going to adapt to that versus the other way around. You don't have to change your processes, your business functions in order to adapt to our solutions. We're very flexible that way. We have many years of experience doing this, and so we have the ability across the board to really handle any type of situation. Thanks for joining us. It's been my pleasure to give you this information and help you out. Again, go to our website, get more information, request a quote, contact us. You can contact us at info@swimage.com, and we will reach out to you immediately and get you whatever you need. And we have case studies, all kinds of information about ROI analysis, anything like that. Also sign up for our newsletter. We have that on the website as well. Go ahead and sign up, and we'll send our monthly newsletter and get all the updates and capabilities of Swimage. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks again, and I appreciate it.